Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It's now time for Legally Speaking with our great friend, Attorney Carol Thomas. Attorney Thomas, it's always great to see you.
Wonderful to see you, Sierra.
Yes. So you have some seminars coming up. You are so passionate about elder law, estate planning, and trust, and you enjoy doing your seminars, and you talk to us about them all the time. Tell us about your upcoming seminar. What it's about.
Well, I am so thrilled that my next seminar is coming up on November 21st, which is a Thursday, in Bay City at the DoubleTree. I'm going to have sessions at 10 and 5. And what there won't be will not be any political commercials, but there will be a lot of great information for people to learn. People think they understand everything as far as estate planning later in life, but there's so much that they really do need to learn, how we're able to save money, just everything, wills and trusts.
Yeah, and when it comes to married couples, what are you able to do for a married couple if one of them does need long-term care?
Well, that's one of my favorite things, and people aren't really aware that if a spouse goes into a nursing home, if they're not prepared, they're going to have to spend $12,000 to $14,000 a month. It's horrible. But if people have the right documents, and they can find out at my seminars, what documents do you need? For a married couple, we're able to protect everything, so they don't have to pay anything to the nursing home, and we're able to get Medicaid to pay the bill. We're also able to get income transferred to the spouse at home. So many people think if you go in a nursing home, your income has to go there. So I talk about these things so people are aware of the wonderful things that can be done.
Yeah, and what I love about you, Carol, is you're so passionate about, helping people and saving people some money, too.
Exactly. They work their whole lives, and to lose it by something unexpected.
Yeah, scary. So what are you also, we talked about what you're able to do for married people. What about for single people that need long-term care?
For single people, if someone goes in a nursing home and they're not prepared, the state of Michigan says a single person is only allowed to keep $2,000. So their life savings would have to pay for the nursing home. We're able to save 60 to 80% of their savings. It's such a huge difference, but people just aren't aware of this. You can't Google it. You need to come to a seminar to find out, and I just love sharing the information. I love looking on the faces of people when they sit there just in awe of what we can do.
Yeah, and what happens if people don't have the right documents in order or in place?
That's what's really sad. When people come to me and a spouse is going into a nursing home and they don't have the right documents, sometimes I'm not able to help them. Same thing with single people. It's devastating for families, and people think they know. They think, oh, I need a will, I don't need a trust. That's not true. They think, oh, I already have a power of attorney, I don't need to go to Carol's seminar. No, 95% of powers of attorney we see, we have to redo. Unless it's done by an office with a certified elder law attorney, we don't have the nursing home language. And my favorite is, well, I'm never going to go in a nursing home, so I don't need to get this done.
You never know.
You never know. Nursing homes are full, they're waiting lists. No one in nursing homes have planned on going into a nursing home. Exactly.
Right. Yeah, so Carol, your seminars always just fill up to capacity. Is it the same with the one that's happening this month too?
Yes, it is. So I really encourage people to call, schedule to come. I actually had a couple in the other day, and the man said to me, I didn't want to come to your seminar, but when my wife made me. Boy, am I glad that I did, because he said, I couldn't believe what I didn't know. And he said, people think they know. They think they're going to never need this, but what a good feeling to know you're protected. And Sierra, we also talk about just basic estate planning. So it's not just nursing home. It's like, what are the documents people should do over the age of 50?
Is there anything else you want to add, Attorney Thomas?
I just want people to really consider coming to a seminar. I have never had anyone say to me, maybe they're afraid to, they've never said, I am so sorry I came. They always say, I'm so glad I came. And Carol, thank you for doing this, because I do this as a service.
Well, Carol, as always, we appreciate your knowledge and your expertise.
Thank you, Sierra. Have a good day.
Yes, you too.
Thank you.
All right, so if you want more information on Carol's seminars or anything else, just head over to the hot link section of our website, WNEM.com. We'll be right back.